Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log out of Temu. First, open Temu on your mobile phone. After opening the app, at the bottom you'll see 4 options. Go ahead and tap on the U icon right here. There you can see many options. Go ahead and tap on the settings icon next to your profile. There at the bottom, you'll see an option to sign out. Go ahead and tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on remember. Then Temu will ask you to confirm. Go ahead and tap on sign out. And that's it. Now you have logged out of your Temu. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. And don't forget to comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.